We have Breams, chili, green or red doesn't really matter. We have mustard oil. This is must. We have turmeric powder, paprika powder, ginger powder, and coriander powder. And we have garlic. And here comes the salt. And this is the vegetable. So we have coriander, potato, freshly chopped tomato, and onion. Now let's start the cooking. First thing first, mustard oil. It's hot. So now I will put some onion. Oops. Now let's put chili and ginger and fry them for about 5 minutes. Can you hear the sizzle and the smoke? Smells good already, so I can't wait to see how it turns out. Can you hear the sizzle? It smells amazing alright. I can eat my rice with only just this. Now it looks like it's popping, so I will put some salt in it. It depends how much salt you really like. You don't put too much salt, so 1.5 spoons. And then keep frying them until they are golden brown. See, it's turned into golden brown now. Now, the exciting part, the paste. So you have to put the paste now, otherwise they will burn. You don't want that. Put the paste and mix it well with the rest of the onion. Now we have to fry them for about 3 minutes. It smells so good. Look how beautiful it looks already. And it smells divine. Probably our neighbors will be happy today, or maybe jealous. Time for the veggies. I will start cooking the potato first, because they take a longer time to cook. So potato in, and tomato we'll put it later because they will melt anyways. And now the coriander. It will give us the aroma we are after. Mix it well. So we will cover it for about 5 minutes. And to see if the potato is cooked. When the potato is like 75% cooked, we'll put the tomato in it. Let's cover the potatoes for 5 minutes. So this is our bream. I have to tell you something. You can see that we chopped the bream into steak sizes, and we kept the bone with it, because all the flavor when you're cooking the bream is in the bone. We are not going to eat the bone, but this is necessary to have. It's sizzling so well. And just look at the whole thing. It's like an art, really. So I'm checking whether the potato is done. Little bit more. So keep stirring at it and then cover it for a few more minutes. Now time for the tomatoes. Mix it well again. So I put tomato in it and I'm mixing it well. You can see the tomato has started caramelizing. And now it's time for our spice. So this is the 4 spice that we use in every curry, especially in India and Bangladesh. We use it a lot. There is no right or wrong way to put in it. This is how I do it. Done. We don't want to burn this, so we have to put some water. Not too much, just a little bit, so that the dry ingredients won't burn. Again, mix it well. It's time to check whether we need more salt or not. A pinch. And cover it again. Listen to the sizzling. Let's see whether the potato is done. So if it is done, you can just chop it like that. It's done. See guys, it was so easy to break the potato in half. Now it's time for our bream. Okay, let's put the bream in it. And we have to mix the bream with the curry. Then the flavor will go inside and it will taste divine. So let's mix it well. So you have to mix it now, otherwise when the fish is done, you can't really mix it because the fish will be so soft and it will start breaking. So I think it's done. I'm done mixing. And now a little bit more. And I will let it cook for about 5 more minutes. I'm now going to check if it needs a little bit of water. We can still stir it. Yes, it needs a little bit of water. So water, not too much, just so it won't burn. The gravy looks alright. I think I will put some more water because I love that gravy. Yeah. Lid on. It's time to check. So someone once asked me what we do with our fish. So the fish we keep, this is what we do. Make delicious curry out of it. It's done. Let's try this. So I'll take this piece here, take a little bit of potato, and this is the delicious part, the gravy. There goes my decoration. Yum. Moment of truth. You see, the fish is done. See, the gravy. I like it with rice. So good. Try it at home, and please let me know in comment if you like this recipe, and I would love to hear from you. So let us know if you like more of our cooking, and if you like the recipe, let me know in the comment and I will post it on our next vlog. Oh yeah, that's my food.